It's a very significant day for us today at Lloyd Business School as we launch the Executive Education Program. In fact, this program is based on the benchmark of Indian Institutes of Management, and we have started short-term certification programs and long-term diploma programs as well. Most of these programs are based on the strength of Lloyd Business School, which is business analytics and data science. And we shall be going ahead with IBM as well, which is our partner in providing these programs. The strength lies in our faculty who are an expert in sessions like Power BI, in business analytics, in data science. Python are the actual need of the day, which is needed by management professionals at all levels. So this program that we have curated is actually targeted to everybody in the industry, starting from the first time managers who need to upskill themselves or reskill in data analytics field, which was primarily not their field during their education during undergrad and postgrad studies. Then it also caters to mid managers who have somehow stalled their growth in the industry, so they can get into these short term programs certified by IBM and maybe choose a different path. And it is also for senior leaders. So these programs for senior leaders will not be restricted to technology paths like only AI or data science, but also on leadership development skills. Because we understand that as time evolves, leadership skills need to evolve, because the kind of people that we cater to, the kind of people that we are leading, there is a generation change and the skills need to change. So today we had a conglomerate of around 30 corporate people, and it was an eye-opener. It was a brainstorming session on what we can have more in the programs, how well the program is designed, and how we shall be customizing the entire program for the various kind of industries. So talk about domain of IT, healthcare, automobile, edtech. The program is going to cater to people engaged in all of these industries, and we're really looking forward to having various cohorts of our EEP program at Lloyd Business School.